What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we got something in the mail, so we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what it is. So I got this from my good friends over at importworx. As you guys can see, they hooked me up with some stickers, a banner, there's like another one, and then this is their business card. There's your Instagram, your YouTube. Go ahead and give them a follow. There you go. And what they sent me over was their soap for the cars, and I also got their ceramic coating. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the car today with the soap and see how it is, man. So let's go ahead, get the car ready, bring it up to the driveway, and let's get to it. Alright boys, so the rinse is already done, but I fucked up. Look at it. Took the paint right off. But oh well. I got the initial rinse done. Let's go ahead and put the soap in the, I guess like soap spray or whatever. Because it's not really a foam cannon, because that one kind of sucks. But oh well. It'll have to do for now. But yeah guys, let's get the rest going. Alright guys, so I'm a little annoyed because the wind kicked up, but just look at this finish, bro. Like, this finish is beautiful. Just look at that, man. Oh, beautiful. Windows are nice and clean too. Look at that, man. I have a picture of how it looked before, so I'll put it up right now. But this is such a huge difference. Oh my gosh. Beautiful all around. Look at that. The only thing that I low-key pissed off about, besides the wind, is the fact that I chopped that piece of paint off. But dude, it's cool. I'm gonna repaint the car anyways. I'm not even tripping. So yeah, enjoy the cinematic, and we'll leave it right there, guys. But like I said, follow them on Instagram and use discount code BAGDJ6. I'll leave it here and in the description. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.